some of the trade ideas for tomorrow. Looking at the spiders are still looking good, even though we had kind of a close, which is right at where it opened. So markets are still strong. There's still a lot of buying opportunities. Maybe some short opportunities for tomorrow, depending on how it closes. There's 2 more days. There's 3 more days left of the trading day. Qs are slightly weaker as we have been discussing about it. IWM still a lot of small caps flying left, right, and center. Not being able to take the opportunities. We'll see if I get near some free time during the week. So do follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. If I'm able to trade live, I will trade live and stream online on YouTube. A couple of trades. This VMW that we got involved at 6061, we already out of this position on this day. Still on a ripper. I mean, good stocks, they just keep on going. This is really what it is. I mean, it's up almost 4 points. I know some of the members are still in. Some of the people from Twitter have tweeted me about their entries, and good for you. Sina, one of the trades that I have taken yesterday, it stopped me out. So I was looking at the hourly chart, and once we broke the lows of this candle, that's when I got out. So took a 30-cent loss. It is what it is. So my intention right now that with a $10,000 portfolio is to take about $150, $200 loss, and try to make more, make 3 times, 4 times of the amount that I'm risking. So right now I got out, but still looks good. I mean, on the daily side, the pattern is still there. On the upside, we have some strong volume. On the downside, we have lower volume. So everything is still looking okay. It's just a matter of entry that has to be tweaked a bit. I mean, on the weekly side, we still have opportunities to go up to, let's see, somewhere around 58. So there's still about $4 a region to play. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Have set alerts around 54.20. Once it goes there, then we'll see what's going on. WYNN, as we discussed, the 150 was a good spot for the breakout. Broke out today. I'll try to find some opportunities tomorrow to see if we can get in. On the hourly chart, so around $100.50. That's the reason I'll be looking at tomorrow. See if we can get a one push early in the morning before we head higher. The other name that we discussed was Data. Data on the daily is still consolidating after a big upside move from 48 to 56 something. Now we are doing a sideways consolidation. Is one of the patterns I've been looking at. The other one is now we discussed yesterday. Broke out 75, now 76. Didn't take this one. If the markets are weak, there's 2 names which comes up. One of them would be Netflix. If you take a look at Netflix, we're looking at this region. This region. So there have been a bunch of times where we broke out of this region, and then we quickly came back in. Right now we had a big push, had a gap fill. So we'll take a look at what happens tomorrow. If you're looking for short ideas, Netflix would be one of them I'd be looking at. Let's take a look at the hourly chart. Quick second, move this. Okay, let's take a look at the hourly chart on Netflix. So if I'm trying to find regions of support, this was the last time where it came back in. So region support is around 98. Not a lot of room, but maybe a morning flush. We'll see how the markets are. JD on the daily chart looks pretty good. I mean, it just um, it broke through the. It's pretty much this is a low for JD. See this bottom. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so we'll see. We see some kind of red to green move on JD for a short position. So that's it for the day, guys. Have a great day.